In response to viral attack, the human body defense system produces, among other ammunition, interferons alpha and beta. Interferon beta is different from alpha in its chemical structure. Interferon beta is a glycoprotein with only 30% homology in the amino acid sequence. For local first aid, most tissues will produce interferon beta at the battle site. On the other hand, only when the virus spreads in the bloodstream is interferon alpha produced. It circulates in the bloodstream until it reaches the infected organ at a later stage. At the Weizmann Institute of Science in Israel, Professor Michel Ravel's major challenge was to prove that although interferon beta could not be detected in the blood, it was still effective against viral diseases and cancer.
We developed methods to demonstrate that interferon beta was acting on the tissue and on the cells in the blood when injected systemically.
The viruses penetrate the cell membranes. Using the cell apparatus, they start to replicate. This activates the cell's defense mechanisms, producing interferons that are spread to all neighboring cells. The interferons induce in these cells certain proteins that protect the cells from the viral attack. The accumulated knowledge gathered by Professor Ravel and his team at the Weizmann Institute has been translated into a sophisticated complex production process of natural human interferon beta, developed by the RS Sarono Group in its Israeli facilities. By growing these cells in cultures and mimicking the viral infection, the 100% native glycosylated human interferon beta, identical to the natural molecule, is produced. Interfarm considers product purity and safety of utmost importance. Product quality is tested for more than a month before a consistent batch is released. Interferon beta purity is more than 99%.
At the beginning, it sounded impossible to have the same efficiency with mammalian cell as with bacteria. But through research, it became possible to have a production from mammalian cells which are absolutely similar chemically to the human proteins.
Interfarm looks toward a promising future, enjoying continued collaboration with Israel's Weizmann Institute of Science and its scientific and medical communities, benefiting from the international RS Sarono Group's unique access to global markets, with a presence in more than 70 countries worldwide. Maintaining the accelerated development of new biotechnology drugs to support the immune system, creating new directions in healthcare. Interfarm.